What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Before we get started in today's video, I want to make an announcement. Today's video is sponsored by Vikings War of Clans. You guys have probably seen a lot of people talking about this game, and honestly, Alex and I are addicted. We've been playing each other for weeks now. It is so much fun, guys. Here's a little intro video. It gives you a little bit more information about the game.
Vikings War of Clans counts 10 times more Vikings players today than actual Vikings that ever lived. Over 20 million people are playing this game. That's nuts! Finally, there's a game that's a perfect mix of 3D graphics and smooth gameplay. The Vikings' massive battles will get you hooked after 5 minutes of playing. So don't waste your time, find us in a game, Evan Beckerman and Alex Bradley. Install Vikings right now using the links below, and you'll get paid 200 gold, protection shield, and your place in Valhalla for free.
Do me a favor, guys, go ahead, click the link in the description below. Go ahead, download the game, look us up on there, challenge us to a battle. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Today we find ourselves at the Main Street closure hosted by Premium Auto Styling. So huge shout out to those guys for letting us come out. We are super excited. This event is going to be dope. I know there's already 300 cars or more registered, so super excited. Gonna go meet up with Rick right now, set up the booth. Dustin Williams' car is gonna be in here as well, so I gotta confirm with him where he's at. I'm so excited. Here we go. We are out here at the booth. It is starting to get busy. I never get enough time to actually walk the show, so I may hand the camera off to Rick. He'll do like a full walk around, and you guys can point out some of your cars that you like, some of the cars you don't like, and maybe drop some lines in the comments below. Let us know what you think. But overall, super awesome turnout so far. Super thankful that Premium asked us to come out, and Dustin's car is looking really good in the booth. A lot of hype on that, so that's super cool. Oh, right here. Sign Air. Style 5s. This is really clean, actually. So if you guys remember from a long time ago, Alex and I actually drove up and delivered Mishimoto parts to one of our throtl VIP members' cars. And here it is right here. This is Gonzalo's car. Here's Gonzalo right here. You guys probably remember him from the vlog before. Dude, it's finally fixed. Looks sick. You got all the Mishimoto parts on here? Yeah, pop it. There it is. Dope, dude. You guys have definitely seen this car. This is Dennis's car. I found you, Dennis. Hey! You want to be on the vlog? Yes. All right. So you guys probably have seen this car before. This is Dennis and his Subi. Do you want to tell everyone what's done to this? I mean, it's a long list, but
yeah, it's a long list. The newest stuff is the hood. We're on air. We have flex fuel running from Delicious.
Oh yeah, you just got dyno tuned, right?
Yes, I got tuned. It's about 346
to the wheels.
So yeah, so it's good for now.
Here we go. Time to get shut down.
Yeah. So yeah, lights are by 5. Fly ride wrapped by the awesome Premium.
Yep. Yeah, this thing is crazy. They did this stuff too, right?
Right. Yeah. So Premium 1 Racing has done.
And then who did Premium
Status,
do that?
Yeah. No, Status Automotive. That's Cody.
Oh, looks good. And you said color change is coming.
Color change is coming.
Oh. Tyler, tell us a little bit about your car, although it's going to be hard to hear, so go ahead.
So I have a 2012 Genesis Coupe, and as you can see, it's been a little bit modified.
Lucas, right here, throttle VIP. I can't even catch it on camera. It's a little hidden. Looks clean though. What? These are dope. I really like the accent when people do that. So I think I'm gonna have Premium do something like that with my car as well. I just want to say huge shout out to everyone who came to our booth, said what's up. It's such an honor to meet you guys. Super excited for the future and so thankful for all the support so far. So we are almost at 80,000 subscribers. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. Man, I'm almost losing my voice. This is so much fun. Huge shout out to Premium Auto Styling for putting together this awesome event. So kind of an abrupt teardown. We are late. We have a very special dinner tonight, so I'm gonna go say bye to these guys real quick, and then we're getting on the road. Peace, peace, peace. See ya. All right, so it is the next day right now, and I realized when I was editing this vlog that there was not that much footage. So kind of by popular demand, I'm actually going to be including some more of the Porsche footage that Rick has recorded over the past week or so, restoring his 1968 911.
So the plan for today is to get those fenders mounted up, get those quarters cleaned up and pretty much ready for paint, and see what we can do to finish the welding on the front end. You just saw Barry doing was sanding off all of the primer and old body filler that was on the panels. In order to get a good bond with the body filler that we're going to use, we really need to get rid of all the old stuff and get it down to bare metal. So as you can see here, the panel's down to bare metal, and we're gonna get started on filling those weld spots and making the whole thing smooth and nice. Right now Barry is putting a really nice thin coat of filler over all the spots that we welded up to get this this metal flare on the back here. And he's gonna keep it really, really thin and only use it on the spots where the weld was, because everything else, you know, the metal, the bodywork is good. It's just a matter of covering up that weld seam and making it look nice. All right, so I am cleaning up these fiberglass turn signals that we bonded to the 911 SC front fenders. And I'm just getting this to be nice and smooth and flush here. And then I'll use filler to fill it and make sure that we got a nice clean connection that you won't even see once we put paint on the car. I'm gonna work on swapping the hood out. So this is an old long hood in metal, and it's got a big dent in it, needs a lot of body work. We're gonna replace that with a hood that's fiberglass. And this is just much easier to work with. It's way lighter. This is actually a balsa core, so it's a pretty cool look. It's got that raw, unfinished fiberglass. So I'm excited to have this hood on the car, so I'm gonna work on getting this one off.
A few minutes later.
We finished up a rough cut on this quarter panel. Obviously still needs sanding and some real cleanup, so we just put a coat of primer on it to keep it safe for now. And then we did a bit of work on these light boxes, trying to get them to fit and mock up really nicely on the short hood fenders. Probably another full day and we'll have this body in much, much, much better shape. But that is all the time we have for today. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.